Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error, that is install error, that is 0x80070306. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this command, run this PowerShell command. The commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, in your case it will be successful. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Now copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, close this, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Start these services, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, click on, if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, then go to Windows settings, Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update. Still not working, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any update option or install option, install it. In my case it is already up to date, so if you see install button or update option, update it. Still not working, the next step is to close all third-party application and services on your computer. If you have any third-party antivirus program running, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Uninstall any third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Vanguard, any kind of anti-cheat program, you can uninstall it, restart your computer and then update. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.